We'll guide you through how to change your profile picture on Discord. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Discord. You can do this whether you're using the Discord web app or the Discord app itself. So perhaps you're yet to go and have a profile picture on Discord, so you want to go and add and set one, or you've just got an old one and you want to go and change to something else. You can go and have a picture of yourself, a logo, or something else. But yeah, we're going to guide you through this. Make sure this full guide, step by step, to know exactly what you need to do to go and update your profile picture. So you can go and see your current one in the bottom left here, as you can see. And when you're going and sending messages as well, you'll go and see it in the chat. Come to the bottom left of Discord, where you're in the web app or app, and you're going to go and see the different options here. And you want to come over to the right of this section and go and find user settings, which is the gear or cog icon. So what you then need to do is go and click on user settings like so, and they're going to go and open up. Come to the left in user settings and find my account. You can always go and search if you need to, but you should just go and find it at the top of user settings and you can click on it. Now you're going to go and see this preview here. You may be trying to click on your profile picture and you can't do anything. What you need to do is you need to come to the right and find edit user profile, scroll down into preview and go and click on your profile picture, and you can press change avatar. So if you go and have Discord Nitro, you can go and choose a GIF. Otherwise, we can upload an image. So your files will open up, choose the image you want to use. You can navigate through your computer. Then you can go and press open. Adjust it to your liking, and then you can go and press apply. Press save changes, and that's it. You've now gone and changed it.